The next one is, can I check my credit? Can I check or collect my credit report? Yes, you can check and collect your credit report, but to be honest with you, it is very very difficult. It's very very difficult to correct. Not that difficult anyway, but it depends. For instance, if you want to check your credit report, you can either use CRC Credit Bureau, for Central for those who are holding loan apps. Those two, for CRC and for Central, they don't usually use Credit Registry. They usually use Credit Bureau, CRC, and the for Central. You can check it directly on Credit Bureau for Central. But Pebble Score is not a credit bureau. They are just third party that they will help you connect to both First Central and Credit Bureau at the same time and get the both results for you. And it's not free. That's how to check your credit report. It's not free. I think it's around 5,000 or thereabout. However, they will also check first credit registry for you. So, but they are not credit bureau. They are not CLC. They're just like a third party agency that will help you check that. But the challenge about credit Pebble score is that they may not get detailed information like if you check it directly from CRC yourself or First Central. What Pebble score will just give you will be just a list of loan app you are owning and all that. But if you check it directly, you have a comprehensive report, which is very detailed, very, very detailed. So it is important to go through that route. Then to correct your credit, the only way you can correct your credit report easily is if they wrongfully report erroneous data. That one is very very easy to correct. It's very very easy to correct. So that one is very very easy to correct. Very very easy to correct. But let's say you are now owning loan apps and they've reported multiple as maybe most loan app what they will report is, let's say you are owing them 500,000 naira and you have to pay back 1.5 million. Most of the time they will report 500,000 naira, and that's what you borrow from them. They will not report 1.5 million naira. If you go and pay that 500,000 naira, they will still call you and tell you that you have not paid your money. So the there is nothing good about borrowing from loan apps. If you must borrow, just go and borrow from good loan apps. These people will mess up everything about your life. They mess up your life, mess up everything. It's just terrible. Imagine they will only report that so that it's more or less like they are falsifying documents. And by the time you check what you have on the credit bureau, you know that it's different from what you have on the app. So please, let's be guided. It's very, very important to go about all these things. Now, you can, of course, you have the right to request your credit report from your credit history, from credit bureau, and check it yourself. I've told you how to check it, but if you want to check it for free, I think Carbon too, they have a third party. They can help you check it and give you detailed information. Carbon, you can download either Carbon or Branch to help you to check it. But that one is free. You just try to get a loan and they give you the report, your credit report. But don't borrow from Carbon or Branch.